Hi, my name is Eileen Hull. If any of you have worked with the Sizzix journal, you know that the spine that is created when you put it together is about 1 inch wide. But did you know that you can make it wider? Let me show you how. And I'd like to thank 2 members of my Eileen Hull fan club, Julie and Patty, for coming up with this idea. I love when you share things like that. So what we're going to do is cut this spine using the die and show how you can widen it to that thickness. To save us some time, I have cut out 2 journal covers and also the section that I want to add to increase the size of the spine. So what you're going to do is determine the width that you want the binding to be. And then you're going to add 1.5 inches because that's the dimensions of 2 of these tabs. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your strip and you're going to place it on your die right here along the binding edge. So you have these holes punched in. So I'm going to lay one piece down. Just make sure you have both ends of your mat board covered. And try and cut it straight. You know, line it up with the side here so that when you are finished, it's all in one straight strip. Then you're going to take your die cut machine and you're going to roll that through. So now you'll have the first set right down here. Now what we're going to do, and this is important to remember, is you want to flip this over so that you're cutting on the same side. So you want this piece facing downward on your die. And now you're going to flip it so these holes are on this side and you're going to cut this set of holes. You're just going to line it up again, try and be nice and straight, and roll that through again. And this is a great technique to extend the use of your die. Maybe you know, want to add on to one that you already have and you like it, and now you can just add in a new strip. Okay, so what you come out with is this wider binding strip. So what I would do to put this together is you're going to take your 2 covers and you're going to lay them on the fold and bend them over. You're going to do the same with your binding strip. And then you will have to add some holes to the cover so that you can add your elastic bands. I like to fold them all the way over. Okay, so now this is how the book's going to go together. And here's your binding strip. So what you're going to do is put adhesive up this strip here and here. So you can see just that easily we have doubled the width of our spine. I hope you give this a try.